In our next post, we're going to create a Google Docs form, and we're going to embed that form into our blog. The title is number 5, create a Google Docs form and embed into Blogger. The key here is the window. Because of the word embed, we want to embed that HTML code. We need to make sure that HTML is selected. Let's click on our Gmail account. And in order to open Google Docs, the easiest way to do it is to come over here and click on Documents. Documents stands for Google Docs. Next, we're going to click on Create. And we're going to create a form. The name of that form is going to be Google Docs Form FIT 1000. The form is going to have 3 fields. A field for name, a field for school, and lastly a field for email. All 3 fields will be text fields. Field number 1 will be name. The question type will be text. And it is in fact a required field. So you want to put a check mark inside here. And then click Done. Next, for field number 2, you can come over here and click on the pencil. We will change sample question number 2 to school. It's going to be a text field, and it is also a required question. So you want to put a check mark in here and then click on Done. Right now we have 2 fields. We need a third one. And we get that third field by clicking on Add Item. Click on Text, because it's going to be a text field. And we're going to type in here email. The question type is text. Make this a required question. And then click on, put a check mark. So a check mark goes here. This is a required question. Click on Done. As you can see now, we have 3 fields: name, school, and email. What we want to do next is to save this form. After it has been saved, we want to click on More Actions, the down arrow. And what we want to do is we want to embed this form. So we want to click on Embed. The code for the embedding is right here. Control C to copy. Go into your blog. The HTML window should be showing. That's important here, the HTML window. right click, paste. Once again, we can see the dimensions for that frame. Click on Publish. Click on View Blog. This is our form. And what we need to do next is fill out the form with our name to test the form. So fill out your name, your school, and your email address. Johnson Wales email address. We have our name, school, email. Then click on Submit. Next, we want to go back to Google Docs and make sure that that information has in fact been submitted. Back to Google Docs. Click on our form. We have a spreadsheet here showing us that this information has in fact been submitted. Thank you.